Order in court. Case file number 338. Titled The Stereotypical Dilemma. The first stereotype we have is men don't feel pain. From the prosecutor's side, I would like to call upon the stage with a huge round of applause, lawyer Abir. Men don't feel pain. Does anyone agree with that? If yes, raise your hand.
We have agony.
You're raising your hand?
No, we have agony.
Amazing. Because if you did raise your hand, I had the gavel just in case. If I wanted to make you feel pain, immense pain, let me share you my story. Last month, I woke up and you know feeling that something is stuck in your throat and you know this is gonna be one hell of a day.
Yes.
It was just like that. I woke up, I sat on my bed and I said to myself, this is it. I've lived a good life. I was wondering who would cry the most if I went away. When suddenly my mom walked in on me. She looked at me and said, Abid, stop overacting. Just take one Panadol and you'll be fine. So I got up and ate one Panadol. But realistically, deep down, I knew my mother has misdiagnosed me. So I went to my good friend, my most intellectual friend, Google. That was the worst mistake of my life. Because as I typed my symptoms in, I suddenly realized that I had 3 weeks to live. I was so shocked. Google, at least let me finish my level 2 of Toastmasters. But no, only 3 weeks. You know what happened the next day? I was perfectly fine, drinking extremely cold drink with eating fries with a lot of ketchup. Or let me tell you about what happened last night. You see, I took 2 mangoes. I was craving something delicious. And I could have just eaten them simply. But being the chef I am, Michelin chef I am, I skinned them, peeled them, chopped them into tiny pieces, added them into a blender, added coconut milk, a drizzle of honey, and my secret ingredient, a pinch of salt. I blended it, converted it into a bowl, covered it with whipped cream. But there was something missing. You know, when I tried it, that one scene from Ratatouille, when that chef goes into his past, remembering all the tasty things he tasted, I felt like that as well. But the thing missing was, it wasn't cold. So I took the bowl, placed it in my fridge, closed the door, and I went to play on my PC. After 2 hours, when I came down, I opened the fridge. That bowl was missing. My heart was beating really fast. I ran towards my room to ask my mother what happened to it. But as soon as I was about to open the door opened by itself. My brother was standing there with the bowl in his hand, finished. He looked at me and said, Abhi, this was the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. Next time, make some more. You know that one trend on Instagram? This is the end. That's what was going in my head. You know, at that moment, what I felt was pain. But in these type of scenarios, vengeance is also hiding behind the corner. And I'm already starting to plot my revenge against my brother. For those of you who think I'm taking it too far, to you, it may be a simple situation. Your brother took your dessert. But for me, my name's Maximus Despres Paradis, creator of the world's most delicious dessert. And I will have my vengeance in this life or another. With this, Judge, I think I rest my case. What is the other stereotype? The other stereotype. Women have better intuition than men. Back to you, Lawyer Abid. Does anyone agree with this? That females have better intuition than men? You agree with that? Amazing. Because you see, if I wanted to speak on this stereotype, there would be a bit of biasism from my side, as I'm a man myself. So let us do a small activity. For this, I'm going to need one from the gentleman's side and one from the female side. So the person who raised his hand, TM Musharraf, quickly come on the stage. Quickly. I'm not sure if they can see it. So basically, you can come over here.
Okay. Thank you.
So basically, there are 3 containers here. And in the one of them, I'm going to place something special. And you both have to guess based on your intuition and gut feeling. Which is which? So first of all, I'd like you to close your eyes. Let me take out something special.
Both of them should?
No, only Tufan Musharraf, as it is his turn. Alright, Tufan Musharraf, now you can open your eyes. Now, based on your intuition, you have 5 seconds to guess which one of these has something special in it. And we'll count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
White.
Which one? Are you sure? Oh, you just got the correct answer. A round of applause for him. Now the same thing will be done with Toastmaster Nida as well. Nida, you can close your eyes. Come over there. It's not hiding.
Or use something else.
But I'm happy.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so Nida, you can now open your eyes. You have 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4,
She selected.
Pink. I feel like Fahad Mustafa in Jido Pakistan. Should I open it? Alright. You were done. Thank you for participating. You can both go back to your seats. Did one team miraculously perform better than the other? What is luck? You know, intuition cannot be based on the gender, but it can be predicted by
Good.
someone's experience, by someone's understanding, or maybe just by taking a chance, but confidently. This is my second stereotype. Back to you, Judge. What is the third one? Third one is pink doesn't suit men. And I don't need lawyer Abhi for this. I myself will be speaking on it. You see, pink doesn't suit men. Because men should wear manly colors like black, dark grey. Right?
Whoa!
My shirt is stuck.
Nice. Wow.
So in my perspective, my shirt is stuck. A color is just a color. Toastmaster of the day.